kids, my name is Poonam Srivastava, class teacher of LKG from Gurukul Kids Preschool, Manjalpur. Now kids, today start our session with morning prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namo, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namo. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now kids, today start our session with new alphabet. I am going to start new alphabet E. See kids, this is capital E. E for engine. E for engine. Now kids, see, this is small e. E. E for envelope. Capital E, small e. E for engine, E for envelope. E for engine, E for envelope. So kids, how can we write E? See kids, here first of all you start standing line with red line to blue line. Standing line. And you draw sleeping line on red line. Sleeping line, then sleeping line, and then sleeping line. See kids, this is E. E for engine. E for engine. This is capital E. Okay? How can small e, how can we write? First of all, you draw a small sleeping line in between blue lines. See kids, and draw a right circle. See kids, this is E, small e. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and small e. First of all, you draw sleeping line and turn right open curve. Okay kids, this is alphabet E. E for engine and E for envelope. So let's read. Okay kids? Kids, this is E. E for engine and E for envelope. See kids, E for elephant. E for elephant. Next is page number 31. Read aloud. See kids, E for elk. E for elk. E for empty. E for empty. And E for elbow. E for elbow. E for egg. E for egg. And turn the page. See kids, this is activity. Tick the egg with capital E. Tick the egg with capital E. And cross the egg with small e. Here is capital E. So I will tick. And here is small key. Small egg. So cross the egg. Capital, tick, and small cross. Capital, tick, and small e, cross. Capital E, tick, and small is cross. Okay kids, this is your homework and practice also. Now turn the page, practice, mention the date, trace the letter and color the picture. See kids, this is envelope. E for envelope. First of all, you tracing the alphabet E. Trace and color it. Trace and write. First of all, you tracing alphabet E, and after that you just write down alphabet E, capital E. Okay kids? Now you turn the page. See kids. Mention the date. Trace the letter E below the picture that start with E. You tracing the small e, and write the small e below empty. See, this is empty bottle. So, we write E. Okay kids? Now, trace and write. Here is tracing. First of all, you tracing small e, and after that you write small e. E for envelope. Okay kids? Next you turn the page. Date. Write capital E below elephant. Remember, write capital E below elephant. See kids. E. E for elephant. And small e below elk. Small e below elk. So we write small e below elk. Okay kids? Capital E for elephant and small e for elk. Okay kids? You fill all the blank space, capital E and below capital E and small e. Okay kids? This is your homework. Now next is practice book. See kids, this is your practice book. Page number 2424. Oh sorry. 2020. Homework date. See kids, this is E, capital E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Here some elephants are tracing. After that, in these boxes you write down capital E. Okay kids? See page number 21. Homework and date. See kids, homework and date. E, small e. E for egg. E for egg. Tracing E, and after that you write down small e. This is your homework, and you turn the page. See kids, here your revision page. Okay kids, this is your revision page. Capital A to E. This is your revision, and letter A, E, A to E small. This is your revision. Okay kids, mention the homework date, and write down capital A to E and small letter A to E. You just write down and practice. Okay kids? So kids, I have an activity for you, letter E. Kids, this is your activity book, page number 119. Mention the name and date. See kids, this is fingerprinting letter E. Dip your middle finger. See kids, this is your middle finger. Okay, in yellow watercolor and imprint on E. See, this is yellow color and imprint on letter E. So let's start activity. Dip your finger with middle finger and imprint on the letter E. See kids, finish. This is E. Alphabet E. Capital E and small e. This is your activity. So kids, do you remember alphabet E and practice more and more at